everyone. Welcome back to the channel, Deep Sleep English, the podcast where you learn English naturally while listening to real conversation.
Yes, please. And subscribe to Deep Sleep English. When you subscribe, you help us make more and more podcasts for you.
And share this. If you have a friend who wants to speak English fast, send this episode to them. It helps everyone.
Hi, we're really happy you're here today.
My name is Alex.
And I'm Emma.
We're friends, and we're from the United States,
In this channel, we talk about real life.
using simple, easy English.
No pressure.
No difficult grammar,
Just two people talking.
like real life.
Exactly. So, Emma, how are you today?
I'm good. A little tired, but good.
Tired? Why?
I woke up very early this morning.
Oh, yeah? Early mornings are hard.
Very hard. I agree. I'm not a morning person.
Me neither. I like sleeping.
Same. Sleeping is my favorite hobby.
That's a good hobby. So, Emma, today's topic is something many people do.
Yes, people all over the world do this. Our topic today is
Going to the airport.
airports can be exciting.
And stressful.
Yes, very stressful.
Especially if it's your first time.
Or if you're late.
Oh no, being late at the airport is the worst.
I've been late before.
Me too. Not fun. Getting ready at home.
Let's start at the beginning.
Okay,
You're at home.
you have a flight today.
What's the first thing you do?
First, I check my ticket.
Yes, very important.
I check the time,
The date.
the airport name.
Sometimes there are two airports in one city.
Yes, that can be confusing.
I always double check.
Me too. I don't want to go to the wrong airport.
I also pack my passport.
Very important. Passport, phone, wallet.
Charger.
Yes, never forget the charger.
I forgot my charger once.
Oh no,
My phone died at the airport.
that's scary.
Very scary.
Going to the airport. Okay, so now you're ready.
Yes, now you go to the airport.
How do you go?
Sometimes I take a taxi.
Me too.
Sometimes a bus.
Or a train.
It depends on the city.
I always leave early.
Me too.
Very early.
Why?
Because I'm afraid of traffic.
Traffic is the enemy.
Yes. One time there was so much traffic,
Oh no.
I was very nervous.
Were you late?
No, but my heart was beating fast.
I know that feeling.
Arriving at the airport.
Okay, you arrive at the airport.
The airport is big
Very big.
and busy.
Many people.
Many bags.
Many sounds.
Announcements.
Rolling suitcases.
Crying babies.
Yes, that too.
The first thing I do is look at the screen.
The flight information screen.
Yes.
I check my flight number.
And the gate.
Sometimes the gate changes.
That's annoying.
Very annoying.
Check-in counter.
Next is check-in. Yes.
You go to the airline counter.
Or a machine.
Right.
The staff might say, "Hello, may I see your passport?"
And you say, yes, here you are.
Very simple.
They may ask, do you have any bags to check?
And you say yes or no,
If yes, they take your bag.
and put a tag on it.
One time, my bag was overweight.
Oh no.
They said, your bag is too heavy.
What did you do?
I had to open my bag.
At the airport?
Yes, in front of everyone. I took out my shoes.
Shoes are heavy.
Yes, very heavy.
Security check. After check-in,
Security.
the scary part,
A little scary.
you stand in line.
Sometimes a long line.
Very long.
The officer might say, please take off your shoes
And your belt.
and your jacket.
And take out your laptop.
Yes.
One time, I forgot a bottle of water in my bag.
Oh no.
They took it.
Goodbye, water. I always feel a little nervous at security.
Me too, even when I do nothing wrong.
Same. My face is like...
After security.
After security, I feel better.
Me too.
I take a deep breath.
Like, okay, I did it.
Yes. Then I look for my gate.
Sometimes you have to walk a lot.
Airports are like small cities.
Yes, very big.
If I have time, I get food.
Airport food is expensive.
Very expensive.
But sometimes you're hungry.
Yes, hunger wins.
I like to get coffee.
Me too. Airports make me sleepy.
Coffee helps.
Waiting at the gate.
Now you're at the gate.
You wait.
And wait.
And wait some more.
Yes.
I like to people watch.
Me too.
Families, couples, business people.
Everyone is going somewhere.
It feels interesting.
A little magical.
Sometimes the flight is delayed.
That's sad.
Very sad.
But we stay calm.
Yes, deep breath.
Boarding the plane.
Then they say, now boarding Group A.
Then Group B.
Then your group.
You show your ticket
And passport.
and you walk onto the plane. I always feel excited at this moment.
Me too. Like, okay, the trip is really happening.
Yes.
On the plane.
You find your seat, put your bag up.
Or under the seat.
You sit down.
And relax.
Sometimes I talk to the person next to me.
Really?
Yes, just simple talk.
Like what?
Hi, how are you? Very simple.
That's nice. I usually listen to music.
Or watch a movie.
Or sleep.
Sleeping is good.
Reflection. So, going to the airport has many steps.
Yes,
But when you know the steps, it's easier.
and less scary.
Airports are busy.
But people are usually helpful.
That's true. And remember,
You don't need perfect English.
simple English is okay.
Polite words are enough. Hello.
Thank you.
Excuse me.
Those words help a lot.
Traveling can be stressful.
But also exciting.
It's the start of a new story,
A new place.
a new experience.
If you're going to the airport soon,
Take a deep breath.
go early.
Speak slowly.
And enjoy the journey.
Thanks for listening today.
We're really glad you're here.
See you in the next conversation.
Bye, everyone.
Oh, Emma, wait.
Yeah?
Before we really go, I want to talk about one more thing.
Oh, okay.
Airport problems.
Ah, yes, the problems. Airports are not always easy.
That's true.
Sometimes things go wrong,
Very wrong.
like losing your boarding pass.
Oh no.
Have you ever lost it?
Yes, once.
What happened?
I panicked.
Of course.
I checked my pockets,
Your bag?
my phone,
Everywhere.
everywhere.
Did you find it?
Yes,
Where was it?
in my hand.
That is very human.
Very human.
This is important for learners.
Yes, very important.
If you have a problem,
You can ask for help.
people at the airport are used to questions.
They hear questions all day.
You can say, "Excuse me,
Can you help me?
I'm lost."
Where is gate 23?
Simple sentences.
That's enough.
You don't need long English.
Short English works.
Clear English works.
And smiling helps.
Yes, always smile.
Missing a flight. Let's talk about a scary one.
Oh no,
Missing a flight.
that is very scary.
Have you ever missed a flight?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
I was young.
What happened?
I arrived late.
Traffic.
Traffic. Always traffic.
How did you feel?
Sad.
Angry?
A little.
Nervous?
Very nervous.
What did you do?
I talked to the airline staff.
And?
I got a new flight.
See?
Yes, problems can be fixed.
Emotional side of airports.
Airports are very emotional.
People say hello.
People say goodbye.
Some people cry.
Some people smile.
I once saw a family hugging for a long time.
Aw,
I once saw a family hugging for a long time.
aw.
It made me feel something.
Me too. Airports are not just about planes.
They're about people.
Sometimes I feel excited.
Sometimes nervous.
Sometimes tired.
sometimes happy.
sometimes happy, all in one place.
Exactly. Simple English review, natural, inside the conversation.
Alex, can we quickly review some useful words?
That's a great idea.
Okay, let's do it slowly.
Airport,
Ticket,
passport,
check-in,
security,
gate,
boarding.
seat.
These words are very common
You will hear them many times.
at every airport in every country. Final reflection. So, if you're learning English,
And you're nervous about the airport.
remember this.
You are not alone.
Many people feel confused,
Many people feel nervous.
even native speakers.
Yes, even us.
Speak slowly.
Ask for help.
Use simple words.
And don't be afraid to try.
Traveling is not about perfect English
It's about communication
and courage.
and learning.
If you enjoyed this conversation,
Please like and subscribe.
we make English simple.
And real.
See you next time.
Bye.